How to do text animation on Premiere Pro. So you can see I have added text over here. If I wanted to animate, what I can do is just go to my graphics template, and you can see there are so many text animation available over here by default. I can choose any one from here, drag it and drop it. But if you want to add custom animations, you need to go on the effects panel and over here download text animation presets. It's not going to be available by default. Once you download text animation presets over here, to install the preset, just right click on the presets folder over here and click on import presets and download it. Once it's downloaded, to animate it, you can just click on presets under effect and search where your preset is. So for my text animation preset, I have it over here under this folder. So I'm just gonna add it real quickly over here like this. I'll just drag it and drop it. And you can see the animation for my text is happening over here. Look at this, bang, you see that on the intro, it does that movement. Yeah, that's how you guys can animate your text on Premiere Pro by downloading presets. You can easily find free text presets on the internet, just search for it, and I have already shown you the process to install it, and you're good to go. That's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.